to our September Elementary Assembly. Our theme this month is the same as last month, being an effective communicator, which is really important, but even more so in the upcoming month when we'll have to do a lot of screaming. Why? Because it is Halloween! So, I hope you have an amazing time learning at home, spending time with your friends, and thank you to our teachers who put together the assembly for this month. Have an amazing Halloween.
To you, we love you, Thalun School. We pledge our very best to stray, to smile and lend a helping hand, and heart be kind in work and play. For you, dear Thalun, we shall learn and share each honor that we earn. Our stars shall rise in the air, my skies thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, we love you, Thalun School. We sing with voices loud and strong, our prayers and memories within our hearts to last a lifetime long. For you, dear Thalun, shining light, shall guide us to a future bright. Our stars shall rise in the air, our stars thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School.
Hey guys, Miss Michelle here. Welcome to our October Assembly, where we're celebrating the month of Halloween and our Thalun community being effective communicators. What am I doing under my covers? Hiding from COVID, of course. It can't get me under here, can it? First of all, I want to say what outstanding communicators you guys have been this month through distance learning. Listening to your teacher, sharing your ideas, respecting your classmates, all through a computer can't be easy, huh? Now we are going to present our September awards for our effective communicators. For pre-K, G, we have Kong Niet, congratulations. KG, Martin and Kendall. For first grade, Min2, Angel Sue and Arkar. Second grade, we have Robin, Min Pincho. Congratulations to all of our lower elementary winners. For upper elementary, we have Henry, Haim, Surin, and Emya in third grade. Especially Surin is such an effective communicator in his writing. We have Christina and Lillian in grade 4. And we have Noah and Mantra in grade 5. Congratulations to all the upper elementary winners. Now, we also present awards in each of our special classes. For Myanmar Studies, we have Shiloh in grade 1 and Heather in grade 4. Art, Situ in KG, Shane in grade 3. PE, we have Makuma in grade 1 and Tetmia in grade 3. For music, we have Juju in grade 1 and Dulanya in grade 3. For ICT, congratulations to Hain in grade 3 and Adam in grade 5. Congratulations to all of our winners and happy Halloween.
Thank you, Miss Michelle. Birthday only comes once every year. On behalf of the Thalun family, I am honored to announce the birthday celebrant for the month of September. For pre-KG, belated happy birthday to Chebo. For grade 1, happy birthday to Saiswan and Tute. For grade 2, happy birthday to Mo Pincho and Leia Tipan. For grade 4, happy birthday to Jennifer. And for grade 5, happy birthday to Alex. We hope that your academic journey will continue to be a wonderful experience and that you always strive to be your best in your class and in everything that you do. Once again, we wish you a very happy birthday. Stay healthy, everyone, and we'll see you online soon. Bye!